was a good 8 to 10 of us, I think, at the start. Hey, and then, but we missed them because we always think, we always got an open door for them because we all have things happen, but such talented people, to get together and encourage each other and drive each other nuts. When we were at the other studio, they had to park their scooters out on the road, out the front, and those are expensive. So things happen, and we got the opportunity to come here, and so now we just roll that door up, and Rosie and Potaka can bring their scooters in, And so and meeting Sean and Emma and that, we've got this cozy little place. Hey, we've had a cool time here, and we've been going since January. We've been going for going on 7 months now. We realised, there's funding, there's all sorts of things, but we thought we can do it on our own, and we put our own money into the art studio and pay our rent. We've done fundraisers with the workshop. That was the bomb, honey? We had Harleys, hot rods, Big Macs, we had
stock cars.
Yeah, we had stock cars. Well, we had these guys willing to help us fundraise to help us with our studios. We just sort of seen the opportunity and potential to take, try and take Rosie's art as far as we can. And then we thought, these guys are wanting to charge hundreds of dollars to print t-shirts. We've got permission from the big man at the Speedway. And come October, come October when the Speedway opens, we're going to be able to sell her stuff down at the souvenir shop at the Speedway. And so he pretty much said he could email all the drivers to say, hey, Rosie's going to be doing work, and we're going to sell it, and they'll give her the money, So.
So after I retired, I come home, I was bringing a boy up, picture is up there, on the top there. I was bringing him up, and my nephew, Dwayne, he said, what are you doing with yourself now that you're home? I said, bringing the boy up. Why? He said, I've got little jobs doing at home. Come and have a look. So I went around there. Well, he picked me up. So I was there with him doing sculptures. So from there, I finished up in hospital for 6 weeks. And I thought, I'll give it up. Getting too heavy. Mm-hmm. So I gave it up, and James come around and saw me. You're interested in art? I said, yeah. And here I am here. Mm-hmm.
So, welcome to our studio, and this is just a little bit of what we've been doing over the last seven months.
7 months, yes.
And we love it here. So, hey, what can we say is hope you enjoy your visit. You can come back and visit us anytime for a cup of tea.
Anytime at all.
Hey, for a lunch or something. But we're looking to forward to sharing all our mahi with everyone. And big thank you to Te Whānau everyone.
Yes.
Thanks to
Yes.
Te Tihi.
Thank you.
And James Sherrington and Bruce Kiriyama and Vanessa and thank you for the encouragement and taking us on board. Watch this space.